All right, so pretty turbulent yesterday afternoon. We have several lines that came through with thunderstorms that pushed severe limits in several cases, mostly damaging wind gusts. That was the biggest threat out of everything. But of course, some hail came in with some of those storms. So it was a pretty turbulent afternoon. Now, going forward, this same cold front not moving quickly, in fact, kind of stalling out over the region. And so because of that, we have a renewed chance for some showers and thunderstorms later on today. Not quite as strong. That's the good news. I think the severe limits will be pushed only in very isolated cases, but there will still be some pretty heavy downpours and, of course, lightning strikes to come with it. Now, of course, none of that is happening at the moment. We do have some light rain kind of traveling up 75 towards Cincinnati. Then we've got a few spotty showers down south between 65 and 75, but in the grand scheme of things, this is all very minor compared to what's now dropping south, kind of through Houston and Galveston into the Gulf of Mexico. A lot of strong thunderstorm activity down there, but the cold front stretches all the way from Texas into the upper Midwest, into the Great Lakes, and a few spots are going to be seeing some showers with that as well. So cold front still hanging out with us, and with it, the low pressure, the heating of the day, the little bit that we do get, compared to yesterday, 70s versus near 90 degrees. I mean, that's a big drop because of obviously the cooler air working in. But the moisture is still there. And so because of that, we have that chance for showers and thunderstorms. But we also have the chance to keep showers overnight tonight and kind of throughout the day tomorrow as well. So you see how it stalls to our south, but there is a low around here. So that's why we keep activity going. Now, we'll kind of take a little bit of a break on Tuesday with maybe just a few showers left over, but it's the next low in progression getting close to us. So it's only a matter of time before that moves in and we start the cycle all over again. Warm, then back to cool or down to spring-like standards. But then certainly the showers and thunderstorms that come along with the cold front and the warm front. So for today, watching those showers move through late morning hours and then watching the blossoming of those thunderstorms as we go into the early afternoon. The line will pretty much be in our south and southeastern counties, but I think with some of that additional heating a little bit further back, the bluegrass could have at least a few rounds of showers and thunderstorms, but really the bulk of the activity stays well southeast. Heavy downpours, strong wind gusts, and some lightning. The biggest threats with these thunderstorms, but as far as the severe threat, it is pretty diminished with this system, so good news there. Now, overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we keep showers into play. Notice how they come back with that front that's just kind of hanging out with us, and then we keep showers all the way throughout the day tomorrow, again, mostly in the southeast. So if you've been wanting rain, if you've lived in the southeast and you've been wanting rain, well, you're certainly going to get your shot at it coming up the next few days. And even into Tuesday, you see those showers again moving up. So we could be potentially hitting up close to 2, maybe 3 inches of rainfall in a few isolated spots. Remember that this time of the year, your individual results may vary because it's going to be where those storms line up. So some areas get a lot of rain, some areas get barely any. You see how the fluctuation here, Frankfurt at 0.03 and Lexington 0.6. Not to say that that's going to be what you get, but it gives you an idea that it's where these storms line up is where the bulk of that rain will fall. And of course, that's where your amounts will be higher. So you're looking anywhere between 1/2 of an inch up to an inch, possibly 1.5 inches if you live in the southeastern counties. So for the 8-day forecast, notice it's still very active. Showers, thunderstorms today. We keep showers in place with cloud coverage and temperatures in the 70s, but we warm it up with the warm front on Wednesday before cooling it back down with the cold front on Thursday. Notice rain chances go up. We should hopefully, though, keep everything out of here going into next weekend with temperatures getting back to summer standards.